Ang first point natin mapupunta sa boys. Ayan. So, meron na sila 1 point. Sila ang unang nakapag-shoot. Kaya naman, sa number 5. Ready? I want player number 4. Go! Number 4. Exhibition. As player number 4. Number 4. Exhibition. As player number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 2. Number 2. Exhibition. As player number 1. Number 1. Number 5. Number 5. Exhibition. As player number 6. Number 6. Wala. Number 1. Number 1. Exhibition. As player number 5. Number 5. Exhibition. As player number 2. Number 3. Shoot the ball. Go! Ay, nasa boses. Ayan. Okay, so 1 point na din para sa girl. Okay, so it's a tie para hanggang may tag 1 point. Okay, ready? Medyo mahirap na. Kaya naman ngayon, player number 5. Go! Number 5! Exhibition pass to player number 1. Number 1, exhibition pass to player number... Shoot! Ayan, 2 points na ang boys. Ayan, okay? Kuya, pakuha na lang. Okay, 2 points and 1 point. Ready?
Ano
I
kinakaroon mo?
want player number 3. Go! Number 3! Number 2! Number 3! Number 4! Number 1! Number 2! Number 3! Number 3! Number 5! Number 1! Number 2! Number 4! Super ball number 1! Super ball number 1! Ayan, may nanalo na. Sino ang winner natin? Yan, palapakan naman natin ha. Boys team, congratulations. Mamaya ibibigay ko yung prize ninyo. Thank you so much sa mga sumali.